Most people think they know this sequence. 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. They have seen it on posters, in movies, in nature documentaries. But here is what almost nobody knows. Why it works, where it truly comes from, and what it is secretly building toward. By the end of this video, you will. The rule is almost embarrassingly simple. Take any two numbers in the sequence. Add them. That is the next number. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. That is it. No multiplication. No powers. No tricks. Just addition. And yet, this simple rule produces something extraordinary. Here is a staircase with 4 steps. You can climb 1 step at a time, or 2 steps at a time. How many different ways can you reach the top? Take a moment. Think about it. The answer is 5. Now try 3 steps. The answer is 3. 2 steps, 2 ways. 1 step, 1 way. 1, 2, 3, 5. Those numbers again. The Fibonacci sequence is not just a curiosity. It is the answer to a real counting problem. And staircases are just the beginning. Now watch this. Draw a square with side length 1. Next to it, another square. Side length 1. Below them, a square with side length 2. Then 3. Then 5. Then 8. Each new square has a side equal to the next Fibonacci number. Now draw a smooth curve through the corners. That is the Fibonacci spiral. You will find shapes like this in sunflower seeds, in the chambers of a nautilus shell, in the arrangement of pine cone scales. Not everywhere people claim, some of that is myth. But in enough places to make you ask, why? Why does a sequence defined by simple addition keep showing up in nature? The answer lies in a number. A very special number. Take any 2 consecutive Fibonacci numbers. Divide the larger by the smaller. 8 divided by 5, 1.6. 13 divided by 8, 1.625. 21 divided by 13, 1.615. 34 divided by 21, 1.619. Do you see what is happening? The ratios are converging, getting closer and closer to the same number. 1.61803398887, and on forever without repeating. This number has a name. The golden ratio. Written as the Greek letter phi. Now here is the part that should not be possible. There is a formula, a direct formula, that gives you any Fibonacci number instantly. No adding. No sequences. Just plug in n and get the answer. And it involves the square root of 5. Which makes no sense. Because Fibonacci numbers are whole numbers. So why is an irrational number involved? Next video, we find out.